Cherry juice is not only delicious but also packed with numerous health benefits. It's a great way to add a burst of flavor and nutrition to your daily meals. Here are some practical and easy-to-implement tips for incorporating cherry juice into every meal of the day. Breakfast. Start your day with a cherry smoothie. Kick off your morning with a refreshing cherry smoothie. Blend cherry juice with your favorite fruits like bananas, berries, or mango. Add a scoop of protein powder or a handful of spinach for an extra nutritional boost. This quick and easy breakfast option is perfect for busy mornings and provides a great energy start to your day. Lunch. Cherry juice vinaigrette for salads. Liven up your lunch salads with a homemade cherry juice vinaigrette. Mix cherry juice with olive oil, vinegar, a touch of honey, salt, and pepper. This dressing pairs wonderfully with leafy greens, nuts, and cheese, adding a sweet and tangy flavor to your midday meal. Snack time. Cherry juice popsicles for a healthy afternoon snack. Try cherry juice popsicles. Pour cherry juice into popsicle molds and freeze. You can add pieces of fresh fruit for an extra treat. These are a fantastic way to cool down and refresh on a hot day while giving you a sweet, guilt-free snack. Dinner. Cooking with cherry juice. Incorporate cherry juice into your dinner recipes. Use it as a marinade for meats like chicken or pork. The natural sweetness and acidity of the cherry juice tenderize the meat and add a unique flavor. You can also reduce cherry juice in a saucepan and use it as a glaze for grilled or roasted vegetables. Dessert. Cherry juice sorbet. End your day with a light and fruity dessert. Make a simple cherry juice sorbet by freezing cherry juice with a bit of sugar and lemon juice. Blend the frozen mixture until smooth and serve. It's a delightful way to satisfy your sweet tooth without overindulging. Bonus tip: hydration with a twist throughout the day. Keep yourself hydrated by adding a splash of cherry juice to your water. It's a great way to flavor your water naturally and enjoy the benefits of cherry juice. Incorporating cherry juice into your daily meals is a delicious way to enhance flavors and boost nutrition. These practical tips show just how versatile and easy it is to enjoy cherry juice with every meal.